Chels, what are you doing?
Working.
You're outside.
I'm aware.
At a desk in a yard.
A yard, a whole acre actually. Did you know you can literally run a business out of this property?
I did not.
Well, now you do. Okay, but seriously, this place is over 3,000 square feet and sits on a full acre lot in Bozeman and is made for someone who needs more than just a place to sleep. We're talking home-based business, daycare, studio, you name it, this place can handle it.
The square footage alone gives you room to live comfortably and work out of it. But it's the acre of land that really opens things up. Space to grow, space to build, space to actually breathe, which, if you've been in Bozeman for 5 minutes, you know is getting harder to find.
What are you doing?
I'm working. You said this was a business property?
She's not wrong. If you've been dreaming about a property that works as hard as you do, this is it. Over 3,000 square feet, a full acre, and endless possibilities. Reach out to us for more information.